Pininali tumafan labang so video lang na kiwan pila bang kay KarbiAnglong pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai aberta aputhak sina wan piglo jong sinali tum jogdon igji pulotang te details labang kay kachini nang ji kenang soda posi nalitum labang so video labang kay kicheng pen kijut an lang pon igon lapen nalitum labang so YouTube channel along jong sin nang kahumri milang pulte kachinghon penalitum subscribe igon lapen videos taminalitum share por igon tangya non pathiek pen KarbiAnglong pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai aputhakli lang polonang lapen chethan polonang
Tanginon Chithan Polonang, Office of the Kuleng Valley Farmer Register Company Limited, Mate West KarbiAnglong Assam Amri. Ahin pen, the CEO Mate Chief Executive Officer Farman advertisement kapiklang pondo jong sinalitum labangso Voreng Avarsai fan jog dunji pulote nalitum laso video kicheng pen kijudan kilang ningji labangke kenang iksodlo. Naritum Ladakh file number labangki lang ponigon lapen dagi tok dalo advertisement for the post of Chief Executive Officer mate CEO apartment paklang poniglo kul dagi tok pon Kuleng Valley Farmer Producer Company Limited ahin pen West KarbiAnglong Amri the contractual basis lapen terms and conditions tami piponiklo la Ning Kehang Atum nalitum jogdon iktame mate directly nalitum la interview si pidam nang po lapen labang so Voreng Avarsai labang ke purely the temporary basis lo lapen nalitum tell the recruitment will be the period of 6 months and may be extended depending upon satisfactory service mate nalitum la Voreng Avarsai fan jogi pulotang tin labang ke purely mane temporary basis lo 6 month per month lapen 6 month per month ladak bang ke tokpon lakela anwet tame jong si 6 month puai phis tame alang litum ladak pa bat pon tudeta thek pusi dake tokpon lapen nono bang ke apus lapen place of posting lahaya puthakle chithan polona kachar leng leng ko ansig nang jimal haya puthak nalitum dak theklong pon number of post bang direkta lala number lapen name of post labang ke Chief Executive Officer lapen post bang dak isian post to lapen place of posting kunatsi labang so Voreng Avarsai longlo pulote ki claim nang jimal labang ke West KarbiAnglong Amri longlo lapen salary lang litum ladak ki piponji labang ke 25,000 an salary alang litum piponi ko lapen la bangso salary la bangke la dake to teng pulate fix salary lo la anwer lo batta bat belo lapen jum jelo lapen la so Voreng Avarsai fan experience lapen qualification kon an sikinang jima pulotang te Ladake tokpon box along nanitum lang ikon the applicant sul process of the latest graduate degree unang po lapen business management anas tame alang li knowledge unang po lapen Azad University Institute pentechok lapen work experience labang lasono it is available have the work experience in the office management and marketing office management lapen marketing anad labang ke expert nang po lapen kapre skill jong se do pulotang te applicants will have the proficiency in computer applications tami pinang po lapen age limit mate arta labang ke 18.40 years an abang pu mate abang piatum nang litum jong se jogdon ji pulotang te jogdon long ikpo Lason attack puthoda ke tok pon dotula intending candidate have the requisite qualification may submit their application with up to date biodata along with self-attested photocopies of supporting documents either to the office of Kuleng Valley Farmer Register Company Limited Putsari each West KarbiAnglong Assam pin number lapen view email penstamina litum jongsi jogdunji pulte pidun iktame Ning Kehang candidate atum copy piason sidak ke jogdon ahot kinang jima pulotang te nanitum totally la biodata pinang po la pencil attested thainang po ang ton documents along ta matinanitum amen si tawdun thainang po la pen kapili nang dia dim la bangke to the office of Kuleng Valley Farmer Registered Company Limited, Putsri, West KarbiAnglong Assam. Nani tum la screen along tek ponlong ji. Lapen nani tum la email pen le lo tachok kulengvalley.fpc@gmail.com, and office of the head KV KarbiAnglong Agriculture University email lahini email long stami nalitum send pon email la pen last date labang so ciklo 20 May 2026 ansi last date lo la pen short listen that applicants will have appear professional interview skill test lai bang ke nalitum pido nang po dai jong si so Voreng Avarsai panjang si jogdon pen amen jong si klangdon pelotang te lapen the person employee will have no right to claim employment in the company reserved to the right reject lahai bang kel unimportant tense tamen anitum jogja prang labang so details labang ken anitum kilang nang ji kinang sot lo batai sinalitum details ang ton pelang det pen lenalitum jogi pustami jogdon ikame lapen non ki bang jilang KarbiAnglong Voreng Avarsai ki klang ji do ulang nasil hai berta na litum kilong wer jiapan bate karjulong wer jiapan pura labang so YouTube channel labang kena litum kaching hon pen subscribe ikon lapen videos tame tang litum teni ni pin pen share pon ikon nasi pinya video long bakil anle ington porik nang tumi thak mi kadu kawi Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ara do ana fans tame nilhin pen kardom